guys? So today's video is going to be my spring chit chat, get ready with me. I am so excited to be filming this video, and I'm so excited to say that this video is sponsored by Sephora Collection. So thank you so much to Sephora Collection for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this makeup look and this amazing lip color. I am using the Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain. There are 90 new shades from Sephora Collection. It is amazing. Like, let me just show you. This right here is every girl's dream. Literally every girl's dream. All 90 shades are launching today. They're on Sephora.com, they're on the Sephora app, and they're in stores, so you guys can go get this today. If you guys love the lip color I'm having, you guys can also go follow Sephora Collection on Instagram. They hold giveaways and have tons of opportunities for you guys to win stuff around the launch of this. You guys can follow me on my Instagram as well, because I'm going to be doing a giveaway where one of you can win all 90 shades. So I'm so excited to be collaborating with them. I absolutely love this, and it's amazing because not only are these amazing lipsticks, but they're only $14, which just like blows my mind. I'm so excited to be showing you guys this look. If you guys want to see how I got this amazing spring get ready with me look, you guys can just keep watching. I'm literally drinking coffee at 2 p.m. in the middle of the day. That is how you know I have a serious coffee issue. Let's just jump right into it. I'm using Sephora Collection Beauty Amplifier Base. This is Ultra Smoothing Primer. Love, love, love. Prime your skin, guys. Have you guys seen that thing on Twitter? And it's like the orange, and it's like when you prime your skin versus when you don't, and it's like for people who say like, oh my god, primers don't do anything. I was like, I'm gonna send this to everyone I know who doesn't use a primer, because primers help so much, especially ones like this that are smoothing. Like, it literally just makes my skin feel like velvet. Like, just smooths it all out. Primers are a must. Like, if you're not using a primer, you're in like 2012. Next, I'm going in with foundation. This is It Cosmetics in the shade Fair. As you can tell, I am clearly see-through at the moment. Like, I have no spray tan on whatsoever. So my foundations, I have like probably, I don't even know how many foundations I would say I have. I have so many foundations, and none of them match my skin right now. I need to start investing in like actual good, like, when I'm pale foundation, because this one's good. I love this one, but it's like my favorite foundations. I'm like, I don't get to wear those when I'm pale because I only have like one shade. I went into Sephora today to get the Fenty Beauty foundation, like, to match my skin right now, and I literally don't know how to match my skin whatsoever. Like, I like always pick the wrong foundation shade for myself. I always do. Like, I will think it looks good in the store, and then I'll come home and I'm like, girl, you just spent $60-something on a foundation that's like 3 shades darker or 3 shades lighter. Like, does anyone else struggle with matching their foundation? Because I do. Since it's spring, I really like when my freckles are out, so I don't put foundation over my nose. That is like one of the things I like to do when it's like summer/spring, is not cover my nose, because I like to have freckles out, and I just think they're so cute. And they're like very prominent now that it's hot in Arizona. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're like. Next, I'm just going in with my concealer and concealing my under eyes, because Lord knows I have not slept enough this week. Like, I just want to let you guys know that Coachella is so close around the corner, and I have one outfit, and I bought it yesterday. Like, I literally just went and bought an entire outfit, and I was just like, Keaton, why did you wait last minute to figure out what you're wearing to Coachella? Like, you know everyone's gonna have a look, and you're gonna be standing there like, what? Like, why? Why did you wait this long? Like, I do this like all the time for things that are actually important. When it's not important, I'm like, oh my god, yes, I have a look. And then when it's like something relevant, I'm like, I'm gonna wear a paper bag. I cannot believe I'm about to graduate. Okay, I'm not about to graduate, but I can't believe I'm about to be a junior in college. Like, I feel like we're on the same like page right here. You guys just started watching my college videos. Like, I just got in college. Like, I've only been here for a little bit, but it's like I only have 2 more years, and then I literally have to figure out what I'm doing with my life. If that's not the most terrifying thing like you've ever heard of, I don't know like what is. Like, I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Like, I literally sit and talk to a camera for a majority of my day, so there's nothing on this. I'm just literally going like that. Okay, well, there's like a little powder, but what did that even do for me? Oh my god, speaking of like putting stuff on me, I want the Rihanna Body Lava so freaking bad. Like, have you guys been watching all the videos she keeps posting on Twitter? I'm like, I want to look like that. I mean, I'm not gonna ever look like Rihanna, but I want Body Lava so bad. Like, last time when like the Fenty Beauty came out, I like didn't buy that much because I was just like, I don't know, like I don't need more makeup. I need the Body Lava. I'm literally not kidding. Like, I have to buy it. I have to find it. Okay, so shout out to this girl. She DM'd me and she said if you get a bronzer that has whatever this word is in it, it will help not clog your pores. If you guys notice, in a lot of my other videos I had makeup tutorials in, I used to get pimples all right here where I would contour, and I'll always be like, well, I mean, I don't know what to do because I'm always going to contour my face, so I don't know what to do. Well, I found a bronzer, the Hourglass Bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light. This is like the ambient one. I've been using this for the past few months because she messaged me and said if you find a good bronzer that doesn't clog your pores, which this one doesn't, then it will help with pimples. And it has helped so much. I'm not even kidding, guys. It's the only bronzer I use. And what's good is I use it when I'm like really pale like this, and I use it when I'm really tan. So I really like the bronzer. If you guys struggle with like getting breakouts right here or anywhere, this really helps. Like, I'm not kidding. I still have like a little bit of breakouts there, but I just also think that's because of me doing like other things. Like, I work out sometimes with makeup on and things like that, and I feel like that really doesn't help my skin. But this bronzer has been super helpful, and I'm so glad she told me that because I was like, I really needed to get rid of the acne that was on my cheeks and in that area. I also don't cream contour anymore. You guys know I used to do that all the freaking time, and I don't cream contour anymore just because I'm like, I'm so over it. Like, I just want powder. This is the Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette. I am going to go in with this shade PSA, and I'm going to use it as a blush color because I really don't want to do a bright blush color. I just want something like very light and not so, you guys know me and my blush. I'm not like a pinky vibe type gal, as I wear like a pink shirt and whatever. I'm also going to go in with the highlighting shades. I'm going to mix this one and this one together, Spotlight and Sin, and I'm into a full highlight lately. Like, look at that. You guys know I used to do like a little dab, but now I'm like, girl, it's summer, it's spring, you can look sweaty and glowy if you feel like it. I have a pimple right here on my cheekbone, and I just keep adding highlighter over it, and I'm like, yeah, girl, just bring it out. Like, just show everyone. And also highlight your mustache in case you're wondering. Okay, for eyeshadow, I'm really not into eyeshadow as much as I used to be. Like, I used to do like smoky eyes all the time, but I'm really into like one eyeshadow color, a little bit of highlight, and I really like for my eyeliner to pop. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm literally just going to probably do 2 shades. I'm going to set with just like this white shade, set my whole lid, and then I'm going to go in with like a lighter brown color just so I can give some like depth to my eyes. I know you guys are like, why did you do this whole tutorial just to do 2 eyeshadows? Because I just feel like this is like the summer spring vibe that I'm going for. Like, I love the pop of color look right now. I'm literally just taking a light brown shade. I'm probably going to put this in the crease first and then all over the lid, but I want to keep it like dark in the crease. So now I'm going on with Sephora Collection eyeliner. This one is Classic Line Stellographic. This is just black eyeliner. I'm going to apply falsies today, so I'm going to apply this so that I can have a nice line to blend my false lashes with. I wish so badly I could do winged liner. Like, one of these days in my life, God is going to bless me with the ability to do wing liner, but I can't do it. I literally can't do it. Now I'm going with Sephora Collection Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. This is what I'm going to apply first before I put the false ones on. Now, because I want a little bit more of a pop of color, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Alkaline eyeliner, and this is just like a dark purplish pink. It looks really dark on like the outside of it, but when you actually put it on your eyes, it's way more pink. So I love adding just like a bottom eyeliner that's a color because it just makes your eyes look so much brighter. If you have blue eyes, it just looks really cool. If you have brown eyes, it's good to do like a green or a blue. It just looks really awesome. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but in person it's so pretty. Like, I don't wear a lot of colors, but if you guys want to try out like a pop of color, I definitely would try out like a colored eyeliner on the lower lash, or you guys could do a colored eyeliner on like the upper lash on your eyelid, and it would honestly look really, really cool. I just like the way like that one looks. It's just pink and pretty. It makes my eyes just like a little bit more. Now for the fun part, I'm adding the Sephora Collection lashes on. These are Sidekick number 5 lashes. I am obsessed with applying false lashes right now. I used to not, if you guys watch all my tutorials, but lately I've just been like, you know what, it's not that hard. I think it's because I didn't know how to do it, so someone's screaming. I just didn't know how to do it, so I was like, whatever, I never need them. Like, I look fine without them. The more you apply false lashes like every other day, the more you're like, yeah, I need false lashes every day. And these are perfect because they're for like the center, which is where I kind of lack lashes. Like, my outer corner has a lot of lashes, but my inner in the middle, not so much. So these lashes are perfect. Also, don't get acrylic nails because you can't open anything. So how did I just get that easily? Oh my god, I'm screaming. I feel like I need more highlights, so I'm going in with Opal from Becca Cosmetics because this always comes through whenever I'm just not feeling like I look as good. Now for the lips, which I'm so excited about because this is a girl's dream right here. Getting to choose from 90 different shades is a blessing in life. I feel like I really want a colored lip, but I also don't know if I just want to do nude. I think I'm too pale to do a nude color. I think I should definitely do like a little bit of a darker one. This shade is 80. Oh, I really, really like that color. Oh yeah, I actually really like this one. This is like a really, really, really pretty shade. Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here because I really like that one. We could go with a nude color. This one is in the number 75. Oh, I love that. Okay, I'm so upset. Now I don't know what to do. Like, the nude is so pretty too. What do? Do I just like put them both on and see? Like, why does it matter, you know? Like, I can just do them all. There's also metallic shades, which are bomb. I think I'm gonna be basic and go with the number 75 and do this all over, and then I'm gonna put the metal shade in the center just to give it like a little bit more of a pop. Oh yeah, I am a fan. Love this shade. Yeah, I love that. Now I'm gonna take the metal. I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't want my whole lip to be metal, and this is pretty pigmented, so I'm just gonna, oh, there we go. Okay, Sephora Collection, come through. Yeah. Now we're gonna set, because this makeup needs to stay on. Do you ever just keep going even though you know? Like, okay, it's set, girl. Whatever. Yeah, I really, really love this look. Like, I'm such a fan. I'm a fan. Are you guys a fan? Do you guys like it? Are we about it? Are we good? So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you again to Sephora Collection for sponsoring this video. Again, don't forget to go follow Sephora Collection on their Instagram. They do giveaways and so many fun things on there, so go follow them on their Instagram. You guys can also follow me on my Instagram because I'm going to be doing a giveaway with Sephora Collection. So thank you guys so much again for watching this video. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe because it would mean so much to me. I love having new subscribers and having new members of my family. It means so much, and I have a ton of videos going up this week. Like, I'm not kidding. You guys are going to be like so annoyed with me, but like in a good way. Anyways, I'm done talking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.